Then you just place it on it like this, allow it a little, then you remove, put it again until it coils until it coils to your desired shape. But make sure your coiler is hot. So you are going to do this continuously until you get your desired shape. If it's too coiled, then you can straighten it up a little. You just straighten it. You straighten it if it's too coiled, but if you want it very coiled, you have to take it down like this. So I'm going to be making use of mine like this. So you just try and make it to your right. We are going to be coiling we're going to be coiling this. You might have been wondering, you might have seen this design somewhere and you'll be wondering how it was done. So you've learned a new thing today. So this is what we are going to be making, right? So let's use the same length as this. I think it's about this height. So the essence of the extra is for us to be able to use it to wrap our headpiece. So after making all our feather flower, that's why we are leaving excess. Okay, so let's continue. You hold your copper wire like this, then you pick one bead. I'm picking one. Okay, I'll pick one, then I'll twist it. I'm holding it firm. I'll twist it 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's make it 7, 6, 7. Okay, then I'll pick another one again. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'll pick another one again. I'm picking another one, then I'll twist again. 1, 2. I'm just going to twist till I get to the end here. I'm not really going to be counting till I get to this end. I'm going to be twisting this one to the end here. So let's go. Okay, then I'll pick another one. I'm not making them equal, so I just want them to be scattered. By the time I'm through, you see what we are going to be making, what it's going to look like. Then I'll pick another one again. I'll twist again till I get to the end. All right, I think I'm done. This is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we have. So can you see? So what we are going to be doing now, we are going to twist, 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 twist until we finish twisting everything here. Okay, this is what we have now. So I'm going to put this aside and we are going to work on the feathers. We are going to be doing our feather flower. Okay, we are going to be doing our feather flower now. So I'm going to be making this into a round shape. I'm going to be making this into a round shape. Just watch me. All right, let's continue. I observed something. I observed that my pad was too light. Remember, I just did a single round shape before. I observed that it was too light. You won't be able to carry my feathers and this bead work, so it's going to be a little flappy. So that's why I just decided to get another one. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be doubling this. I'm going to make a round shape, so it's going to be double instead of the single one we did before. So now it's going to be double. I'll place it just for it to hold. All right, I think I'm good. Then I'm going to be applying my glue on top of this. Then I'll place the other one on it. I'm going to lay it on it. Okay, all right, just watch me. I'm going to lay it like this just to form this shape. Right, so this is the shape I'm having now. I really want my feather flower to be very big. That's why I'm making it like this. Okay, I want it to be big, to be very, very pronounced. I want it to speak loud. All right, so that's why I'm making it big. And if you see all the feathers I'm having here is about 30 pieces, 30. So what I did here, I just selected the big ones on one side. I think I have about 9 here, while I have about, I think, 18 to 19 here. So everything actually amounted to, I think, 30. So we are either going to finish it or maybe we'll have a remainder, but let's just work and then we'll see what will happen. So I'm going to start attaching my feathers now. So I'm going to start with the big ones. I'm going to start attaching the big ones. I'll attach this one first. I'll take it to the end of where to the middle. I'm taking it to the middle. So I've attached this one. So I'm going to be attaching the next one. It's either I take it opposite side. You can do it like this. Just do it opposite direction like this. Or you just continue attaching them like this. But I think opposite side will be better. So let me do it that way. So I'm going to apply my glue to the opposite side. Then I'll attach my feathers. Press it down. Then go to the opposite side again. Apply my glue. Attach my feathers. All right, this is what we have now. So we are going to be attaching everything we have made. So what I intend doing is I'm going to place this one like this. I'm going to place it like this. I'll place it like it's going to be at the left hand side. To be at the left hand side, then I'm going to attach this feather flower to the top this way. So it's going to be like this. So you just be creative, attach yours the way you want it to be. You can decide to do it like this, attach yours here. You can decide to attach yours like this, but I want to attach mine to this. I'm going to be attaching mine here, up here. So I'm just going to turn it a little bit forward. And I want to do something. I think I'll be doing something here. I intend attaching this wire, this copper wire, because this one is harder. I want this feather to come out a little bit. I want to bring it out from this. I'm going to bring it out a little. I don't want to attach it to the end part like this. I want to bring it out a little. So with this flexible wire, I won't be able to do that. So I just thought of using this one. This is 0.90 mm. So I'm just going to cut out of it, and then I'll use it to wrap this one just to give it a stem. And just the way I'm doing, in case you've already made that, not really a mistake though. We can always change our design as we are working, we are having inspiration. So that's what I think. What I had in mind was just to wrap it round it, but I just thought, okay, what if it comes out a little? I think it's going to be finer. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be coming out, standing out. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be placing my quay feather on it. So I think I'm done. This is what I have. So I'm going to be attaching this here. I'm going to be leaving about an inch, 1 inch, 1 inch at the side. I'm placing it at the side. So if you want yours to be at the side, you can do it as well. If you want yours to be here, if you want it to be here, so even if you want it to be here, so depending on what you want, okay? So, but I want mine to be here. I'm going to be placing mine here. All right, so I'm just going to wrap it around. Like I said before, I'm leaving about 1 inch or 3/4. So I'm going to wrap it very tight. Yeah. All right. Ta-da! This is what we have. Okay. This is what we have. This is the back. This is the back. And this is the front. So if you have a flower, you can just easily place here to cover it up, okay? Or you want to leave it like this, but we always cover our work so that it will not be pronounced what is there. People will not easily just know that, oh, this is how it is done, this is how she did it like that. No, 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 no. So I'm going to be covering this. So whatever you think you can use to do yours, just go ahead and do it. Be creative about it, okay? So let's call it a wrap.